Working on fit and finish here, and because I'm adding the electrical inside of this crank casing, I need to seal this handle off better as a lot of dust is getting in. And you can see that, you know, these are rough castings, and that's really off center. So I need to mill that as cleanly as possible, concentric with the handle shaft. And so I put a compass on that I made and pretty much subscribed how bad it is. It's about a ½ an inch up there. So I made a little boring head with the whole shaft, okay, and that's just going to go onto the shaft, and I'll mill like this, and we'll see how it turns out. It's an aluminum casting, and so it should be fairly easy to mill. I'm just using a regular solid carbide router bit. Okay, that milled very good. Now, what I want to do is I want to bush it to reduce it back down. So I'll turn this part on the lathe to hub into there. The next problem happens is this surface is not 90 degrees to that shaft, and I need to make a seat. So here is the cutter that I used to mill this surface, 1/4 inch diameter. I need to make a small seat. I don't want to change my boring head, so all I've done is install a larger diameter head, which is of course going to increase the diameter of my cutting circle. And if you look closely, you'll see I take high-speed steel. Old router bits, they're hard to find now, and I self-grind them. I want a tiny little radius on the inside. Now my biggest problem here is I have to have a depth stop. So the bottom of this fixture can bottom on that hub, and I've calculated that's the first cut. I'll keep grinding that away as I need. So that just simply drops in, fixture goes back on again, and that is my depth stop. So I'll mill that. Looks like I'll have to just grind a little bit off that block and go a little deeper, but not much.